Ngayong paparating na November ay magaganap ang muling pagharap ng ating pambato sa MMA 1 Championship na si Danny Kingad ng Sandanga Mountain Province laban sa undisputed 1 flyweight world champion na pambato ng Brazil na si Adriano Miquino Moraes. Si Adriano Moraes ay pinanganak noong April 21, 1988, isang Brazilian mixed martial artist na nakipaglaban sa flyweight division ng 1 Championship. Siya ay dating 3-time flyweight world champion at isa sa pinakamataas na rank sa flyweight rankings noong taong 2017. May taas na 5'8" at may bigat na 135 pounds. Siya rin ang tinaguriang black belter sa Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Si Moraes ay may kartadang 20 panalo. Ang 10 dito ay via submission, 6 ay via decision, 4 ay via knockout at may 5 talo. Samantalang ang ating pambato naman mga boss na si Danny Kingad, umas kilala sa bansag na The King, ay ipinanganak noong September 28, 1995, isang Filipino mixed martial artist at nakikipaglaban sa flyweight division. Nasa rank 3 sa flyweight rankings noong taong 2017 at may tangkad na 5'5" at may bigat na 135 pounds. Si Kingad ay may kartadang 15 panalo, 2 dito via submission. Ang 12 ay via decision at isang knockout at may 4 na talo. Matatandaang noong November 10, 2017 ay matagumpay na nadepensahan ni Moraes ang kanyang titulo laban sa ating pambato na si Danny Kingad sa pamamagitan ng tinatawag na rear naked choke o pagsakal gamit ang braso sa unang round pa lamang. Si Moraes at Kingad ay may nakatakdang rematch sa darating na November 8 taong kasalukuyan. Balikan natin ang unang paghaharap ng dalawang mandirigmang ito. What's up mga boss? Danny Kingad versus Moraes. Si Moraes. Adriano Moraes. Naku, nadali ang ating kababayan mga bossing. Delikado to, delikado.
What can the BJJ black belt do from here? So many options available. He goes to a very dominant side control position.
Sa ilalim ang ating kababayan mga bossing.
Brought the contest down to the ground. See how he's controlling these
1 minute na 45 seconds pa.
legs, so he gets perfect control of the side control position here. Now he's got the head under the hand, the left hand under the arm. Good job by Kingad to get back into side control.
Gumagawa ng paraan mga bossing ang ating kababayan, ang ating pambato.
Trying to keep him there.
Sana malagpasan niya itong pagsubok na to.
The side control. 1 minute 20 remaining, first round. A lot of feeling out, a lot of dipping the toes in the proverbial water. But now we're on the ground. We're seeing more aggression from the champion. This first exchange on the ground is going to tell us a lot. We're going to be able to see how Danny Kingad escapes from this bottom position, from a bad position. He's got 60 seconds to either survive or get back up to his feet. Moraes now north-south position. Dangerous for Kingad.
Nako, yari na.
So the champion's going to take the back.
Delikado to. Sa ganyang itsura. Yan.
Oh, hooks in his working for.
Tiyuti na nakapasok yung kaliwa ni Adriano.
Cut him out. He's going to try and go.
Delikado talaga to.
Kingad trying to defend the left arm.
Adriano.
He's got 30 seconds. Long.
Delikado ang ating pambato.
Look at Moraes trying to sneak.
Huwag niyang pakawalan yung kanan na yan.
Closes the figure.
Huwag niya, ayun na nga, nakawala eh. Nakawala yung kanan eh. Delikado talaga.
Trouble.
Ayun, sumuko na mga bossing. Nagkakaroon ng rematch itong dalawang to ngayong paparating na ano.
The Phenom does it again. Adriano Moraes absolutely impeccable.
Sana makabawi ang ating pambato dito sa rematch nila.
Take your hat off to Danny Kingad. Look at this. Immediately the hand was
under the neck. If he couldn't defend the left arm that was under the neck, the only thing that was saving him was Marias had the right hand underneath the armpit of Danny Kingad.
Grabe.
Once Kingad released the right arm, Marias was able to go palm to palm and finish the choke.
Adriano